me, the best science experiments are always the ones where we use a Bunsen burner.
And I think everyone probably says that one, but that's really cool.
I just wanted to be a rebel.
I personally hate science, so
I'm not really sure.
The best science experiment I've probably ever done was all the way back in year 7, so it's quite a while ago, but I remember we did elephant toothpaste and our teacher put like all of this chemical stuff in, and all of a sudden it all like went out everywhere and everyone like screamed. It was really good though.
I used to always like that experiment that we did in like year 8, year 9, where you put magnesium in a Bunsen burner and it glowed white. And I remember our teacher telling us all that we were not allowed to look at the white light, and I always looked at it.
My favourite science experiment is chromatography because I love chemistry, and it shows how things are bonded together and what colours go into different inks and how mixtures can be separated but informed as well.
In year 7 we had like this solution and it made the water turn like rainbow, but I don't really find science that interesting.
And one time our chemistry teacher allowed us to put our hand through the Bunsen burner on the safety flame, because if you do it really quick then you can't feel it, and we just did that after we finished the actual experiment.
We got to make our own esters, so we had to add like a carboxylic acid and alcohol, and then there was like a table on the board and you use different combinations which will give like a different ester which has a different smell, and all esters have smells, so you got nice perfume, nice fruity smells. Yeah, that was pretty nice, and it was more like a 3 thing, like you don't have to follow a certain amount of instructions only in terms of quantities to add, but everything else was up to you, so I kind of like that.
And then just a blue pen, and then we put that into a beaker, and there was like a little bit of water at the bottom, and we'd get the paper to touch the bottom, and then the water would slowly like rise up to the paper, and the ink would spread because obviously the water would reach the ink, and then it would spread, and you'd get to see the different colours that will go into that.
The best science experiment I've done is the one with titrations. I really like that just because we used phenolphthalein and it like turned pink, I can't remember, or went from pink to colourless, and I loved the shade of pink.